How are you? Everybody, dear students, I think that you are quite well by the grace of God. In the meantime, all over the world is spread the coronavirus. It is very fatal disease. I think that you are alert about the coronavirus. All students stay in your own homes. Today, I discuss the online class sessions about the narration. Before, I shall introduce to you. My name is Satyendra Mondol. I am the assistant head teacher of Patrakala Arshad High School. Dear students, when I role play in your class situations, all students must be careful and listen to my class sessions and note down your notebooks. Cordial. Dear students, at first I write the subject of narration. What kinds of sentence? Sentences, 5 kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, operative, and exclamative. In number 1, the sentence of assertive. I shall discuss about the assertive sentence. Dear students, look at the blackboard. When I write down the assertive sentence, next time you write down your notebook the assertive sentence. What is called assertive sentence? When the information express the simply situations, it is called assertive sentence. Now, I shall discuss about the sense of narrations, direct to indirect speech from assertive sentence. Dear students, look at the blackboard. When I write the narration, direct narrations, next time I shall sense the indirect narrations. Dear students, look at the blackboard. I write the first sentence or direct speech. He said to me, "You are a good boy." Next time, I sense the narrations of indirect speech. Now I shall introduce to the sentence the first part. He said to me, it is the reporting part. Is the reporting part. Include the inverted comma. This part of reported speech part. Reported speech part. Dear students, look at the blackboard. In the meantime, I indicate the sentence structure. The reporting part indicates that he is the subject, said is the finite verb, and to is the prepositional phrase object. Next part include the inverted comma. The first of the you is subject or visual verb, a good boy is the object. Dear students, now change the direct narration to indirect narration. Dear students, look at the blackboard. Indirect. He said to me, sense of he told me. That conjunctions conjuncted the two part of the sentence. Two part of this sentence conjuncted the conjunction that. The second part of the sentence reported a speech part. You are a good boy. You subject the second person. When the second person step in the inverted comma. It is its rules of the positions of reporting parts subject, sense of reporting parts subject. You is the second person. Use second person. When the second person include the reported speech part, we are sense the reporting parts of object me. It is the indicator of subject I. Now we are identify the tense. You are a good boy. It is the present indefinite tense. When the direct narrations tense of present indefinite, it is the sense of indirect narrations the past indefinite tense. R of sense was. I was a. Dear students, look at the blackboard. It is the indirect form. He told me that I was a good boy. In this way, you study the narrations. I think that all students have knowledge of the narrations. Dear students, the second narration for the blackboard. You said he is a good player. Dear students, look at the blackboard. The second narration, direct narration is you said he is a good player. Now I change the indirect form. Please look at the blackboard. Indirect form, you say sense of you told. You is the subject, told is the non-finite verb. To sentence part conjuncted the conjunction. When we change the narrations, all time use the conjunction. To sentence part conjuncted the conjunction that is the indicator of assertive sentence. The reported speech part, follow the reported speech part, first of the subject he is the third person, there is no sense this narration. He direct through the indirect speech. He non-sense. Is the indicator of present indefinite tense. It is the sense of past indefinite tense. Is sense of past indefinite tense was. He was a good player. Dear student, look at the blackboard. In this way, we can sense the direct form to indirect form. There is no alternative. It is the easy matter. I think that you are studying in your own home about this narration. I think that you have knowledge about the narration. The third sentence, direct. They said to me, Rohim was eating rice. Dear students, look at the blackboard. The third narration's direct form. They said to me, Rohim was eating rice. At first, we identify the clause. the first section reporting part, the second portion reported speech part. It is include the inverted comma. The first portion reporting part sense of the indirect narration. Indirect. They told me. Where is told? When the direct to indirect narrations, the reporting verb said of sense told. After the told, there is no said of the to. To is to. There is no said of this function. Dear students, look at the blackboard. They told me conjunction that, set of the conjunction that. Rohim is the subject of reported speech part. Rohim is the third person. There is no sense of third person in the reported speech part. So, the third person, Rohim, nonsense, the set of your reported speech part. Rohim. What type of the sentence, what type of the tense of reported speech part? It was the past continuous tense. It will be sense past perfect continuous tense. That Rohim had been eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Nice. Dear students, serially, I write down the three narrations in your blackboard and sense of the narration direct to indirect. I think that all students carefully listen to my class situation. It is the basically items of your narrations. Dear students, now I shall here in your classroom. Next time I set up the homework in your blackboard. Tomorrow class, you will share to this point of the narrations. Dear students, look at the blackboard. Homework. Only two narrations give the homework. Teacher said, you are my good students. You are my good students. Number two, father said, they are coming room. They are coming room. Dear students, homework, the two narrations. Teacher said, you are my good students. Number two, father said, they are coming room. Next time, you try to your own homes, the change of narration direct to indirect. Dear students, in the meantime, our class has finished. I think that all are quite well by the grace of Almighty God. Thank you so much.